Good morning to the community of Chivitions. Good afternoon, good evening to everyone listening to this broadcast all over the globe. Once again, you are welcome to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonlu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer in the TBC community. You are welcome once again. Yeah, in response to some questions from my last broadcast, yes, TBC is the billion coin. The meaning of TBC is the billion coin. TBC is a community created by a God given visionary called Chris Kengler to come and free humanity from poverty. As I said in some of my previous broadcasts, poverty is man-made. Lack is man-made. Yes. And as a result, to change the tide, we have to key into what God by Himself, the Creator, the laid down structure, which is the structure of abundance. So TBC has come to offer abundance to all. For as many who are able to key into it right now, which is the right time for it, you will have enough abundance to live on, to share, and to make a living. So TBC has come to put laid down structure for abundance on planet Earth. Yeah. And in TBC, you have the right opportunity to become as great as you can be. TBC gives you voice. TBC free you from poverty. TBC gives you your right value that the Creator has placed on you. TBC gives you freedom. TBC is a community of abundance, love, and respect. In TBC, you can become whatever you want to become. TBC has come to offer you the platform to be great. TBC, can I shock you that TBC is the only currency that gives reference to the Creator, the Almighty God? Yes. TBC is a community of love, respect, and abundance. And that has been proven for over the 5 years. So come on board and join us. Now, apart from the premium that we paid, there are a lot of tax that we embark on. And as a result of embarking on this tax, we are being rewarded with these wonderful and unique coins. Why? Because we are in our distribution period. The moment we finish that distribution period, we enter the full economy. Now, presently, we have both the distribution period and the growing period going in pari passu. Why? Because we have over 22,000 merchants, registered merchants who are accepting our money, our kringles for means of payment for goods and services all over the world. There are those, if you want visas, 30-40% in kringles, and so on. Different things. There's nothing, at least in most areas, most things you need now. There is 1%, 2 or 3 situations who are merchants, who are accepting kringles. So we have gone uphill. Yeah. TBC is the thing. TBC is unique. So come on board. So, and if you want more coins now that we are in distribution period, you pay your premium, then you have enough coins. Enough coins. Why? Because poverty is around us everywhere and we need to eradicate it. And for us to do that, we need enough money. We need enough fundings to do that. So there are different tax that we embark on. Once you embark on any tax, the admin of the community will reward you with the corresponding reward in coins. And that is how we build our coins for it to have enough to spend. So come on board. There is nothing ambiguous in TBC. There is nothing strange in TBC. TBC is a community of clarity, plain, sincerity, integrity. So come join us. Don't procrastinate. Don't procrastinate. Don't procrastinate. God, TBC is God given vision. TBC is God given vision. TBC is God given vision, anchored on God's principle of abundance. So don't delay. Don't procrastinate. Come join us and let us enjoy the abundance that the Creator has released and has given to mankind. Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Don't forget, come into the community. Join the community for free. And from there, we build on. We give you enough training. We have 24 hours live training. 24 hours live training. Anywhere you are around the globe. 24 hours live training. We give you enough training on adequate ways by which you can get more coins, live and navigate through life, having a successful life of abundance. So join us. You will see a link below. Click on that link. Register for free. Complete the registration and you shall contact me for further guidance and for further direction. Also, below this video, you will see our links to our various groups. Join all the groups to learn more. TBC is my birthright. TBC is giving voice to humanity. TBC is eradicating poverty. So come on board, join us. Don't forget, like this broadcast, click the like button, subscribe to it, and share to others. I love you all. God bless you. See you in the community of TVishers. See you in our God loving community. Cheers.